In most cases, it's not your hardware that's the problem, it's Windows itself. Windows ships with turn off feature turned on by default that you probably don't even use, and they are quietly eating your CPU, RAM and GPU in the background. Today, I am going to walk you through 16 settings and tweaks that will genuinely speed up your PC. No third-party software needed, and I'll explain why each one works, not just tell you to click stuff blindly. Let's get into it. Okay, so first, hit the Windows key and type create a restore point, then press enter. Now click configure, then select turn on system protection, hit apply, then OK. Now click create again and let it finish. Usually takes under 30 seconds. A system restore point is basically a snapshot of your Windows settings and registry. If any tweaks causes an issue, you can roll back to this exact moment. Think of it like a save point in a video game. Always create one before you start editing your system settings. Step 1. Hit the Windows key, search for core isolation, open it up, and you will see a toggle called memory integrity. Go ahead and turn that off. On older hardware, specifically anything pre-Intel 8th Gen or pre-Ryzen 2000, you can see a 5 to 10% performance improvement just from turning this off. But here is the warning. This one comes with a condition. If you ever install cracked software, pirated games, or anything from sketchy sources, do not turn this off. It's protecting you. This tweak is only for people who exclusively use legitimate software and want to squeeze every last drop of performance out of their hardware. Pro tip: not sure if this applies to you? Leave it on. The performance gain is real, but your security matters more. Step 2. Head into Windows settings. Go to System, then Display, and scroll down to graphics settings. In here, you want to enable two things. First, turn on optimization for Windows games. Then turn on hardware accelerated GPU scheduling. The results? Lower latency, smoother frame delivery, and slightly less CPU overhead during gaming. Step 3. Still in settings, go to System, then Notifications. Disable all of them. Then scroll down to the additional settings sections at the bottom and uncheck all the boxes there too. This one sounds minor, but it's not. Every app that has notification access is actively running background processes to check for updates, new messages, alerts, and so on. Even when you are not using those apps, you don't have to disable every single one. Keep notifications for like your calendar, reminder, or communication app if they are important to you. The goal is cutting the stuff you never actually look at. Step 4. Go to Settings, then Systems, then Storage. Click on Cleanup Recommendations, and then hit See Advanced Options. Select every checkbox in the list, but leave the download folder unchecked. Then hit Remove Files and confirm. Temporary files are leftovers from installations, Windows updates, cached data, and crashed app sessions. Windows is supposed to clean this up automatically, but it doesn't always do a great job, which affects everything from boot time to app load times. Do not check the download folder unless you are okay losing everything in it. Everything else in that list is safe to delete. Step 5. Go to Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, then Mouse. Click on Additional Mouse Settings, then go to the Pointer Option tab. Uncheck the box that says Enhance Pointer Precision, hit Apply, then OK. Step 6. Go to Settings, then Personalization, then Dynamic Lighting. Turn off both options in there. If you have RGB peripherals like keyboard, mouse, headset, whatever, this uses CPU cycle and USB bandwidth continuously. Especially during gaming, you want your CPU focused on your game, not making your keyboard glow. Step 7. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Advanced App Settings. Find the Share Across Devices option and set it to off. Now go back to Apps and click on Startups. Here you will see a list of every app that launches automatically when you boot your PC. Disable everything that you don't absolutely need running from the moment Windows start. Be careful here. Don't disable things like your antivirus software or important system utilities. Step 8. Go to Settings, then Gaming. First, click on Xbox Game Bar and turn off the main toggle at the top. Then go back to Gaming and click on Game Mode. Make sure this is turned on. It should be by default, but double check. Step 9. Go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Visual Effects. Turn off all three options in there. Windows Visual Effects, things like transparency, smooth animations, and fade effects are rendered by your GPU every single time you open a menu, switch windows, or move something around. Step 10. This one's got a few sub-steps. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and work through each of these pages. First, go to General. turn off all 4 options. Then go to speech, turn it off. Then go to indexing and typing personalization, turn it off. After this, go to diagnostics and feedback, turn everything off here. And lastly, go to search permissions, turn off all options. These settings collectively control how much data Windows collect and send back to Microsoft. Turning this off is a both privacy win and a minor but real performance improvement. Step 11. Go to settings, then Windows Update, then advanced options. Disable the top 4 toggle in there. Then scroll down to delivery optimization and turn that off too. The top 4 options control things like automatic restarts, update notifications, and update scheduling. Disabling them means Windows won't randomly restart your PC in the middle of something important or download large update at inconvenient times. Delivery optimization is the big one though. This feature uses your internet connection to share Windows update files with other users on Microsoft network. You are using your own bandwidth and CPU to help distribute Microsoft's update to strangers. There is no reason it should be on. Step 12. Hit the Windows key and search for View Advanced System Settings. Open it, click on the Advanced tab, then under Performance, click Settings. Now select Adjust for Best Performance. This unchecks everything. Then manually recheck just 2 options. Show thumbnails instead of icons and smooth edges of screen fonts. Then click Apply and OK. The reason we re-enable those 2 specific ones is practical. Without thumbnail previews, your file explorer becomes much harder to use. You lose image previews. And without font smoothing, text looks jagged and uncomfortable to read. Step 13. Search for Edit Power Plan in the Start menu and open it. From there, click on Power Options in the address bar. Look through the available plans. You are looking for the one called Ultimate Performance. If it's not there, here's how to unlock it. Open Command Prompt as Administrator and run this command. Once you run it, go back to Power Options and select Ultimate Performance. It completely disables CPU throttling and ensures every component is running at maximum capacity all the time. Warning: these plans keep your CPU running at full speeds constantly, which generates more heat and uses more electricity. On a laptop, this will significantly reduces battery life. Only use this when your laptop is plugged in, or if you have a desktop PC where power consumption isn't a concern. Step 14. This one is for the NVIDIA GPU users only. Search for NVIDIA Control Panel and open it. Click on the Manage 3D settings in the left panel. Here are the specific settings to change and exactly why each one matters. First is OpenGL Rendering GPU. Set this to dedicated GPU. Second is shader cache size. Set this to 10 GB. Shaders are tiny programs that run on your GPU to calculate lighting, shadows, and visual effects in game. Third is low latency mode. Set this to on. Fourth is power management mode. Set this to prefer maximum performance. Similar to the power plan on the Windows side, it runs at full speed all the time, which means no ramp up delay when a demanding scene hits. And lastly, texture filtering quality. Set this to high performance. The quality setting uses a more accurate algorithm that looks slightly better up close. After all of this, hit apply when you are done. Step 15. Warning: we are going into the registry editor now. This is the backend database where Windows stores all of its core configuration settings. Making the wrong changes here can cause system instability. Follow these steps carefully and do not change anything other than what I show you. Search for registry editor and open it. Before doing anything, go to File, then Export. Give it a name and save it somewhere safe. Tweak 1. Copy and paste this path into the address bar at the top of the registry editor and hit enter. Now find the key called scheduling category. Double click it and change the value to high. The scheduling category key tells Windows how much CPU priority to give processes that fall under the game's task category. Changing it to high means Windows will treat any app registered as a game as a high priority process. Tweak 2. Now copy and paste this path into the address bar. Now find the key called Win32 priority separation. Double click it and change the value to 26. Tweak 3. Now paste this path into the address bar. Look for a key called Network Throttling Index. If it doesn't exist, right click in the empty space, select New, then deauth 32-bit value and name it exactly Network Throttling Index. Spelling matters here. Now double click it and set the value to 8 Fs. Now find the key called system responsiveness. Double click it and set the value to 10. Alright, that's all 16 tweaks done. Now restart your PC. Load up your favorite game or open a few app and notice the difference. A lot of people notice the improvement immediately on first boot, like faster startup, snappier app opens, and smoother frame delivery in games. If you followed everything in this video, you just gave your PC a genuine free performance upgrade without installing a single piece of software. Now here's what I want you to do. Drop a comment below with your before and after results. Did your FPS go up? Did your PC boot faster? Did games feel smoother? I genuinely read every comment and I'd love to hear what kind of difference you got on your specific setup. And if something didn't work for you or you ran into any issues, drop a comment too. Describe what happened and I'll try to help you troubleshoot it. If you want me to go even deeper on any of this, like a full dedicated video on Nvidia settings or registry tweaks for specific games, let me know below. Your comments literally decide what I make next. If this video helped you out, a like and subscribe goes a long way. It's free for you and it genuinely helps this channel grow so I can keep making content like this. Thanks for watching.